Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to link a PayPal account to eBay. Linking your PayPal to your eBay account will allow you to pay for purchases you make on eBay. It also allows you to accept PayPal payments from your customers. Due to its high level of security, this payment method is really popular these days. In order to link your PayPal account to an existing eBay account, keep watching the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by opening up a web browser and go to ebay.com and press enter. Log into your eBay account and go to My eBay at the top right corner, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. You might need to enter your password during the process. Simply type it in and get to this page. Once you reach to the activity page of My eBay, go to the Accounts tab at the top. Now, under Payment Information, click on Payments. If you have a PayPal account, you can easily click on this button right here that says Link My PayPal Account. But if you don't, you'll first need to register yourself for a new PayPal account. After clicking on the link, log into your PayPal account by entering the credentials. Type in your email and then your password and click on Login. Now, you're almost done linking your accounts. Click on Return to eBay, and with this, you've successfully linked your PayPal account to your eBay. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.